You don't have to be an influencer to earn with videos. With ShortBeast AI, you can create content for other people and they'll pay you for it. Local businesses, coaches, and online brands all need short form videos for TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. Instead of them hiring an expensive editor, you can offer professional videos made with ShortBeast AI. The tool does the heavy lifting and you deliver polished content in minutes. This opens the door to freelance income or even running a small content agency. And since you own the videos, you can sell them at scale without working long hours. That's a real way to create extra income every month. If you want to start selling videos as a service, try ShortBeast AI through my link in the description and launch your side hustle today.